I guess the moral of the story is they're all off, possibly, or one of them might be right. And this one I've acquired a new long-handled 3/8 ratchet. Thank you for the commenters, giving me, this old man, a little lesson in torque wrenches. So I'm going to give it a shot, just out of my own curiosity, because none of this is scientific, obviously. But there's been a great torque wrench controversy going on. For some reason, well, because I broke a bolt with this big hoss set to too many pounds. But I want to check and see just how accurate these are, if they're all in sync with each other. So I know it's not scientific. I know it's not the right way to do it, but I don't ever do anything the right way. But I started thinking, how could I actually check and see? And I know if you so let's say if you had a level and you had the bubble was off to the side a little bit. If you spun that level around and it was showing level, or it was off to the other side or something, you throw that level away. You have to verify them with each other. And I think this might be a way to at least get close. If I can, unfortunately, these are all lockers, so I have to use a little extension on it. And we'll see. I just loosened up a couple of lug nuts. I'm going to get them to 10 pounds. That's that's the lowest that this one goes. Big hoss. So I got big hoss set to 10 pounds. And I've got this one. I'm going to use this one first just to set a base, and then I'm going to use the other ones just to see. Now if I can see that dial, I'm going to have to trust me on this. I might get my head in the way. We're going to go to 10 pounds with it. Okay, and I know this is made in Taiwan, but I should be right at 10 pounds there. So now, let's set big hoss to 10 and see. I mean, I don't know if I'm right or wrong. Big hoss is set to 10 pounds. Maybe you can see that, I don't know. Anyhow, it's 10 pounds. Let's see where we're at. Ooh, look at that. Going way higher. Oh, there we go. Clicking right there. So I did get about just a fuzz more turn, maybe an eighth, if that. Let's see where we're at on this one again, at 10 pounds. And again, this is made in Taiwan, so it's junk. Yeah, I mean, oh yeah, I'm gonna call that pretty close to 10. And now I'll take this guy, see how she looks. Also 10 pounds, which is 120 inch-pounds. Right there. Let's see if I can get the glare off of there. Let's see what it does. Now, that might be off on account of it might be showing light, correct? So let's bring this one up. Let's go to 16 foot-pounds. Oh, yeah. That's a little wacky, ain't it? Let's go to 240 inch-pounds. Wow. So that one's goofed up. So we'll take this one up to 20 foot-pounds. Let's see where we're at. Get another staple on this and see if we got 20 feet. And I'm starting to turn right there, right at 20. Right there's 20 feet. Let's go 20 feet here. And we are at 20 feet right there. Let's take this one up just a fuzz. Let's go 26. Let's go 30. So I know I'm getting accurate settings because I don't like doing math. So we're going 30 foot-pounds on Big Hoss. Oops, right there. All right, there's 30. Go to 30 on this guy. That's showing 30 now. Let's see if it goes any further. Oh, that's right at 30. So far, these two are pretty much in unison with each other. And this one, maybe I did the math wrong. Or maybe this one is junk. So we'll put Big Hoss to, let's go all the way up to 60. See if I can break a bolt. Well, let's go to 40. All right, we're at 40 here. That's claiming 40. I didn't turn it much, but it was a little bit. Let's see what the dial has to say. It's starting to turn just now, right at about 35. Nope, 30. There's 40 there. And there it turned. Right at 40. So again, these two, the big one and this one, are pretty much in sync. Maybe they're both off exactly the same amount. Probably unlikely. Let's go to 60. All right, there's 60. Let's check and see what this one had to say about that. 60's right here. Yep. And it just started to turn as soon as it hit 60. All right, so I've set this one to 720, which should be, if my math is right, should be 60 foot-pounds. And I really don't know because it might have to turn more. So I'm going to do the next one. And I did learn you should never use a torque wrench to ratchet, thanks to the commenters. And I also learned you should never use a torque wrench to break a bolt loose, thanks to the commenters. We're learning stuff. All right, I think we'll go like that, and I'll see if I can get this guy. Now I'm going to ratchet this one because it's silly not to. It's got a ratchet on it. You know? Wow. I'm not going to break it loose. I'm just going to tighten her up with it and get it to 60 according to this. Now, let's see what the dial has to say about that one. Can you see the dial? I guess not. Let me move it down. Okay, we'll try to get to 60 and see if it turns or if that's a good set. No, it's turning. So that one's showing that I was at 60 and I was actually only at about 40 according to this one. Oh, yep, there's 40. So let's run her to 50. And see how this one looks for 50. Set to 50. Now we'll set this one to 60 and see if I was off on that 50 at all. We'll go 50. Let's go 55. Yep, see? So let's see where we're at. See if we can get to 55 without it moving. 55. Let's go to, oh no, yep, that's 55. I'm going to 80. See if we can break this bolt. I'll go to 70. According to that, we're at 70 right there. And now, I'm going to set this guy to 70. So let's go to 75. See if I get just a little bit of turn out of it or not. Let's go to 80. Yeah, I did get a little turn out of it that time. So let's see where that shows up on the dial. Can we see the dial? Maybe not. Let's bring her up a little bit. I'm going for 80. Or did I do 85? I don't remember. It was set to 80, even 80. Oh, it's starting to turn it at 70 actually, or 75. It started turning. It's showing 80. Okay, so I guess the moral of the story is they're all off, possibly, or one of them might be right. I know these are probably, like, again, made in Taiwan, not real reliable, probably not too far off, And this one I've acquired a new long-handled 3/8 ratchet. Pretty much. I won't use this for torquing anything. And I'll probably go get one of those. I'll probably get a digital one and take care of it. And I will not use it to break bolts loose because that's what I learned. And thank you for the commenters giving me, this old man, a little lesson in torque wrenches.